Hello everyone, welcome to LCM and HCF Exercise Part 1. In this exercise, we are going to do questions based on finding LCM of two or more numbers, finding HCF of two or more numbers. Then we will be learning about relationship between LCM and HCF, and then we will do miscellaneous questions. The images used in our slide deck are for educational purpose only. We respect the intellectual property rights of the original creators and owner of these images. If you are the owner of any of the images used in this deck and have any concern or issues, please contact us at sathee@itk.ac.in and we shall remove the images. Now these are the formulas which we are going to use while solving the question, that is that product of two numbers is equal to HCF into LCM. Least number when divided by A, B, C, D and leaves the remainder X, Y, Z and W respectively, where difference of A and X, B and Y, C and Z, D and W is same, then the number is equal to LCM of A, B, C, D minus the difference. And then LCM when divided by A, B, C and D leaves the remainder R in each case, then the number is equal to LCM of A, B, C, D plus remainder plus R. Now, the LCM of 14, 42 and 77 is, and the options are 168, 308, 462 and last one is 154. And I'm giving you 10 seconds to find that which one of them is correct. After that, I will do the solution. So the LCM of 14, 42 and 77 was asked. So we are going to use the common division method to find the LCM. That is, first we will write 14, 42 and 77. Then we will start dividing by the least number. That is 2. 2 7 is 14, 2 into 21 is 42, 2 into 77. Because 77 is not divisible by 2, so we will write as it is, that is 77. Then again we will look at what is the number that can divide 7, 21 or 77. The number is 3. So 7 is not divisible by 7 is not divisible by 3, so we'll write 7 only. 21 is divisible by 7 or 3, that is 3 7 is 21. And then we will write 77 again. After that, dividing by 7, and after that divide by 11. So LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 7 into 11. We will multiply all these numbers 2, 3, 7 and 11. So 2 into 3 into 7 into 11, that is equal to 3 to the 6 and 7 into 11 is 77, that is 462. So option number C, 462 is our correct answer. Find the LCM of A, B square, C square, A square, BC and A cube, B cube, C square. And options are A square, B square, C square, ABC, A cube, B cube, C square and A cube, B cube and C cube. These are the options. Now, here all the terms are in variable. So LCM of variables can also be found out, but with the help of prime factorization method. First term, that is A, B square, C square, can be written as A into B square, can be written as B into B, and C square can be written as C into C. Next was A square BC. So it can be written as A into B into C. And the last one was A cube, B cube and C square. That can be written as A into A, B into B, and C square is C into C. So from all the three factorization, we can look the power of A, which is highest. Here power of A is 1 because it is present only one time. Here the power of A is 2 because it is presented twice, A and A. But in the last term, you can see that A is written thrice, 1, 2 and 3. So A cube. Now B, we will pick the highest power of B. In first, B is twice. In second, B is appearing only once. And in the third term, B is appearing thrice. So we will write B cube. Then we will look for highest power of C. Here the C was twice present, here once only, and in the last it was twice. So maximum presence of C is power 2. So we will write C square. Therefore, the LCM is a cube, b cube, and c square. Option number C is the correct answer. Find the LCM of 2 square into 3 square into 5 into 7, comma, 2 square into 3 into 5 square into 7, and 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. Options are 6300, 7200, 9000, or 8400. These are the options. Now, we will find it by prime factorization method. First one was 2 square, 3 square, 5 into 7, that is 1260. Second one was 2 square into 3 into 5 square into 7, that is equal to 2100. And the last one was 2 into 3 into 5 into 7, that is 210. So first of all, we will look for the highest power of 2. In the upper two equations, highest power of 2 is 2. So we will write 2 into 2. Then we will look for the highest power of 3 in all of them. Highest power of 3 is 3 square, that is 3 into 3. Then we will look for the highest power of 5, that is 5 square, so 5 into 5. And then we will look for the highest power of 7, but in all of them 7 is only present once, so we will write into 7. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 7 is equal to 6300. That means the LCM of all the three terms was 6300. Option number A is the correct answer. Find the LCM of 60, 120 and 225. Options are 360, 1800, 600 and 900. These are the options. Now, we are going to use common division method, that we will divide 60, 120 and 225, and we will start from the least number. So that is 2. 2 into 30, 60, 2 into 60, 120, and 225 is not divisible, so we will write as it is 225. Then again dividing by 2, 15, 30 and 225. Then again by 2, because 30 is divisible by 2, so 15, 15, 225. Then we will look for the another number which can divide maximum of 15, 20, 15 and 225, that is 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15, and 3 into 75 is 225. Then again from 3, 5, 5 and 25, 3 is 75, so 25. After that from 5, 1, 1, 5, and in the last 5, 1, 1, 1. We will divide until we get 1, 1, 1 in the last term. So the LCM is going to be the multiplication of all these numbers written here. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5, that is 1800. So the LCM of 60, 120 and 225 is 1800. Option number B is the correct answer. Find the LCM of 6 into xy minus y, comma 8 into x4y minus x into y. And your options are 24xy, x cube minus 1, 24x cube minus 1, 24xy and x cube minus 1 into xy. These are the options given to us. Now, we will use prime factorization method. 6 into xy minus y. From here we can take y common, then we can write 6 into y into x minus 1. 6 can be written as 2 into 3 into y into x minus 1. So that is the factorization of this term. The next term was 8 into x4y minus xy. So from here we can take xy common. So that becomes 8xy, and in the bracket it will remain only x cube minus 1. Then 8xy, x cube minus 1 is x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1. Formula of a cube minus b cube. A minus b, a square plus b square plus ab. So we have expanded this term, that is x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1. Now for LCM, we will look at the highest power of 2, 3, y or x minus 1. In this equation and in this equation, you can see that the highest power of 2 is 8, that is 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 into 2. 3 is present in only this term, but not in this term. So it is only 3. X minus 1 is present here. X minus 1 is also present here. That is x minus 1. Y was also present here. Is present here. So we have written y. X one time only, we have written this thing also. And x square plus x plus 1 also written, so we have written this thing also. So 2 into 2, 4, 2 is 8, into 3 is 24, xy. And this whole term is nothing but x cube minus 1. Therefore, the LCM is 24xy into x cube minus 1. Option number A is the correct answer. The LCM of 2.05, 1.05 and 2 is equals to what among the following? And options are given to us. That is LCM of 205 upon 100, 105 upon 100 and 200 upon 100. LCM of 205, 105 and 200. LCM of 21 upon 20, 41 upon 20 and 20 upon 20. LCM of 205, 105 and 200 upon 10. So you have to find that out of 4, LCM of 2.05, 1.05 and 2 can be written in what form? Now, 2.05 can be written as 205 upon 100. 1.05 can be written as 105 upon 100. And 2 can be written as 200 upon 100 because 200 upon 100 is also 2. So the LCM of 2.05, 1.05 and 2 can also be written as LCM of 205 upon 100, 105 upon 100 and 200 upon 100. So this thing can also be written in this way. So option number A is the correct answer. The LCM of 36 and K is 72. Find the possible value of K. Options are 24 only, 8, 24 and 72, 24 and 72 and 8 only. These are the options. Now, it was given that LCM of 36 and K is 72. So from the options, the possible values of K can be 8, 24 or 72. Because if LCM of 36 and K is 72, then K is the number which can divide 72. So 8 can also divide 72, 24 can also divide 72, and 72 can also divide 72. That means 8, 24, 72. Option number B is the correct answer. LCM of 112, 72 and 90 is 3780, 7560, 2520 or 5040. These are the options. Now, we are going to use the prime factorization method. So 112, the factors can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. That is equal to 112. 2 and 7 are the prime numbers. That is why we have written prime factorization. It means we will do the factors of 112, but all the factors should be prime numbers. Then 72. The prime factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. And the prime factors of 90 are 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Now to find the LCM, we will look for the highest power of every single number. So for 2, the highest power is 2, 2, 2, 2. 4 times it is present. Maximum number of time presence of 2 is 4. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 we have written. Then we will look for the highest presence of 3. So in the first 3 is absent, but here 3 is written twice, and in the last 3 is written also twice. So 3 into 3 is written in the LCM. Then we will look for the highest power of 5, that is only 1, so into 5. Highest power of 7 is also 1, so into 7. This thing is equal to 5040. That means option number D, 5040 is the correct answer. Find the LCM of 72 and 84. And options are 12 into 6 into 7, 6 into 2 into 7, 12 into 7 into 3, or 72 into 84. These are the options. Now, the prime factors of 72 can be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. And prime factors of 84 can be 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. To find the LCM, we will look for the highest power of every number. So highest power of 2 present here is 3. That is why we have written 2 into 2 into t. and highest power of 3 is 2, so 3 into 3, and 7 is present only once, so into 7. 2 into 2, 4 2 ja 8, into 3 into 3 is 9, into 7, that is can be written as 12 into 6 into 7. So option number A is the correct answer. What is the LCM of two corresponding numbers x and y? So x and y are the two corresponding numbers. We have to find their LCM, and options are x into y upon 2, 1, or x upon y. These are the options. Now, the LCM of two numbers x and y which are corresponding is equal to x into y, because the LCM of corresponding numbers is its product. We have to remember this thing. That means option number A, x into y, is the correct answer. The LCM of 36, 27, and 72 is, options are 108, 432, 324, 216. These are the options. Now, we are using common division method to find the LCM of 36, 27, and 72. For that, we will divide 36, 27, 72 by the least number. So the least number which can divide all of them is 2. So 2 into 18, 36, 2. 27 cannot be divided by 2. So we will write that that is 27. 72 can be divided by 2. It will give 36. Now again dividing from 2. 2 9s are 18. 27 can't be divided, so we'll write 27 only. 2 into 18 is 36. Again by 2. 2 into 9, because 9 cannot be divided, so we will write 9 only. 27 can also not be divided, so we will write 27 only. But 2 9s is 18. Now in 9, 27 and 9, none of them can be divided by 2. So we will check for 3, the next bigger number. So 3 can divide 9, 27 and 9, that is 3, 9 and 3. Again from 3, 1, 3, 1. Again from 3, 1, 1, 1. We will divide until we get 1, 1, 1 in the end. For LCM, we will multiply all these things. 1, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. That is equal to 216. So option number D is the correct answer, 216. LCM of 16, 24, 36, 52 and 54 is, options are 5616, 5216, 432 and 5618. These are the options. Now again we are using common division method to find the LCM. First of all, we will start dividing these numbers by a number which is least in nature. So it is 2 only. So 2 will give us 8, 12, 18, 26 and 27. Then again we will check that if any of the number is divisible by 2. Yes, 8 and 18 and 12 and 26 are divisible. So again dividing by 2, we can write 4, 6, 9, 13. 27 is not divisible, so we will write as it is. Then again from 2, 2, 3, 9, 13 and 27. Again from 2, 1, 3, 9, 13, 27. But in this step, none of them is divisible by 2. So we will check for 3. So dividing by 3, we get 1, 1, 3, 13 and 9. Again from 3, 1, 1, 1, 13 and 3. Again from 3, 1, 1, 1, 13 and 1. Here it is only divisible by 13. So we will write 13 in the end. That is 1, 1, 1, 1. So we will divide by the numbers until we get 1, 1, 1, 1 in the last step. Now for LCM, we will multiply all these things. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 13. That is 5616. That means option number A, 5616 is the correct answer. Find the LCM of 20, 40, 25 and 30. And options are 800, 500, 600 and 400. These are the options. And I'm giving you 10 seconds to find out the correct answer. After that, I will do the solution. Now, we are going to use common division method. So 20, 40, 25 and 30. These were our numbers. So we will start dividing by the least number, that is 2. 2 into 10 is 20, 2 into 20 is 40. 25 is not divisible, so we will write it as it is. And 2 into 15 is 13. Again, from 2, we get 5, 10, 25 and 15. But none of them is divisible by 2, so we will check for 3. But 10 is divisible by 2, so again dividing by 2. 5, 5, 25 and 15. Here 15 is divisible by 3, so we will write 3. Then we will get 5, 5, 25 and 5. 3 5 is 15. Then by 5 we get 1, 1, 5 and 1. And the end again by 5 we get 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So we will keep dividing until we get 1, 1, 1 in the last step. Now the LCM is what? LCM is the product of all these numbers written on this side. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. That is 600. So option number C, 600 is the correct answer. The HCF of 290 and 660 is 10. What is their LCM? Options are 38280, 9570, 19140 or 1,91,400. These are the options. Now, HCF of two numbers is given and we have to find the LCM. So we are going to use formula 12.1. According to that formula, the product of two numbers, that is first number into second number, is always equal to the product of LCM into HCF. Now the numbers were 290 and 660. That means 290 into 660 should be equal to LCM into HCF was given, that is 10 into 10. So from here LCM is how much? 290 into 660 upon 10. 660 upon 10 will give us 66 only. So 290 into 66 is 19,140. That means if the HCF of two numbers is 10, then LCM is 19,140. Option number C is the correct answer. So these were the questions. I hope you understood the questions very well. Thank you very much for joining the session.